you cannot get it to lay like 100% flat. And there's probably some old timer out there. Oh yeah, back in my day, I used to spray a crack around with a spray gun. Yeah, I could get that stuff as flat as a pancake. Blah, blah, blah.
I'm not sure going to understand.
And ding, 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 it's cheap. So, you know, if it comes out terrible, okay, who cares? Marco Colbert, Speedokote Refinish Network. All right, so I got a super quick one for you guys today. Headlight restoration, everybody's seen them, everybody blah, 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 blah. However, we're going to be testing out today the Spraymax 1K clear coat. Now, for those of you guys who know, I'm a Speedokote guy, okay? I like Speedokote. However, Spraymax does sell some decent aerosol products. I use their 1K spot blender in certain applications in certain weathers for blending clear coat. In other weathers, I like to use the Speedokote product. I kind of go back and forth between the two. Now, this is their 2K, okay, 2K glass, the 2K activated Glamour Clear with the little button on the bottom, okay. Very not cheap. It's like 20 bucks a can, 25 bucks a can, depending on where you go. Now, this is just my 06 Honda Accord. This is not like a life or death situation, you know. So, you know, if it comes out terrible, okay, who cares? Like, who cares? Who gives a crap? I'll just redo it or just leave it like that. You know, this is just a cheap little beater car for me. You guys know, run-of-the-mill, typical beat bop car. We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna start digging through my mobile setup. I should have some of the 1K stuff in here. For those of you guys that don't know, yep, run a whole mobile auto body company out of the trunk of a 2012 Honda Civic. Crazy. It's crazy when you show up to the dealership. They're like, oh, well, where's your truck? Where's your truck? Where's your van? Your work rig? There it is. Well, where's your base coat? Don't you have to have like a mix? Nope. I just get the correct paint that I need, and this is all my equipment right here. And then I'll just grab the paints, and I'll put them in like one of these little baggies, mix up like 5 different things of paint or 10 different things of paint, pack it up, done. Paint's already in the trunk, ready to go. And then I have an entirely separate setup. Jeez. For headlights only. This is my headlight specific restoration kit. And some masking paper, a little masking machine, a couple C4s in case I feel like doing a spit and wipe, and a little toilet paper. You guys know what that's for. So first things first, before we start sanding on it and everything like that and creating a mess over everything else here, because the car is reasonably clean. It's not like sparkling clean, but we're going to go ahead, especially I do this with customer cars, we're going to tape up this whole area first, just with, you know, paper and tape. Not going to go crazy, not going to bag the whole car. We're going to do that first, and then we're going to start getting the sanding process and prep and all that stuff done.
Alright, so we're coming down the home run stretch. We're finishing up sanding the driver's side headlight. All you're going to do once you get your headlight sanded, give it one just little quick spritz with the sanding and cleaning solution, a fresh towel, and one final wipe, and it's ready to go. As far as application, I like to go ahead and just do one kind of nice medium wet coat, and then once I get to the bottom of the headlight, come right back up and follow it up with like a light coat while it's still wet. And this will probably give you the best finish with this particular product. Doing 2 to 3 coats with this product, it's not very beneficial, and it can actually cause problems. Now, one problem we ran into, we got a little bit of moisture in the coating. I guess it was maybe a little bit too humid this day, so you need either a infrared cure light or one of these like little heat guns, and this will kind of clear up that cloudiness in the coating. It'll clear it right up. Don't freak out if you get this. You know, as you guys can see, you know, it's actually clearing it up right on video. So sometimes these products, you know, they can give you some problems. I've had this happen before, but with a little bit of patience and just kind of working with it, you can get it all to even out.
Great. So the results are kind of interesting. For cheap, I'm happy with it. On a professional level, I'm still kind of happy with it. For the convenience and let's show you guys the final result after we worked out a little bit with the heat gun. Let's sit down and talk about the results. By the way, this masking machine is not just a masking machine, it's also a chair when you're out working. You can sit on it, you can stand on it. If you guys don't have one of these things, gotta get one. Alright, so let's look back at the headlight a couple feet, right? This product will provide clarity in your headlight. So if you sand it down properly, 1500, 2500, we didn't even need to go 1500 on these because they were just a little bit yellow on the surface. We sanded out that yellowing, cleaned it off, hit it with this. One medium wet, I would say almost kind of like a heavy wet coat. And boom, you know, they're clear again. You know, you can see the bulb now a lot better. Are they 100% clear? No. That is where these 1K clear coats, some of them, this is a really outdated product. You know, this is like a 1960s thing. They put these on the 1965 or 66 Corvette. It was a acrylic lacquer clear. The acrylic lacquer clear, it's always got like a little bit of a haze to it. It's always like a little bit cloudy. Because I used to watch Barrett Jackson auto auctions as a little kid. So they would talk about the cars going across the auction line. And, oh, yeah, that old Corvette, yeah, it's got acrylic lacquer on it. That's why it's got a little blah, blah, blah. That's how I know that. But, you know, this is like a early 1900s and mid-1900s product. This is very outdated technology. But, however, it does have its plus sides, okay? 1K acrylic, you know, this is, like I said, this is acrylic lacquer. It's why I only did one coat, because usually with acrylic lacquer, the downside is you go to put on multiple coats, the lacquer in this coating actually eats through the previous layer and creates crow's feet. Let's talk about the plus sides. So the reason why I have this in my mobile auto body setup with headlight restoration and all that, this stuff, you can literally spray this stuff in like Like, it can get ready to rain in, like, I was at a dealership one day, and it was getting ready to rain. It was going to rain in like a half an hour. I was like, oh my God, I got like literally like 20 minutes to knock out these lights. I sprayed it with this. It started raining. The rain was landing on the headlight. No problem. This stuff was already dry. So, you know, this product dries almost instantly, okay? But that is also the downside of this product, because it dries so quickly, you cannot get it to lay like 100% flat. And there's probably some old timer out there. Oh yeah, back in my day, I used to spray a lacquer around with a spray gun. Yeah, I could get that stuff as flat as a pancake. Blah, blah, blah. However, this is a UV Cure 1K product, okay? Now, these are actually making a very big stepping stone in the auto body world. There's you guys over there that watch Candyman. They switched to UV primers and UV this, and that's all they're using now. This isn't like the 1K police video, you know, I'm gonna bang on all the one-part products, because there's still a lot of one-part products that are very acceptable today in the auto body world. You know, this is just not one of them. However, like I said, it dries really quick. It's pretty easy to apply, and ding, 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 it's cheap. It is cheap, okay? This can right here, even if you go to the auto body supply store, they're gonna ding you for like 12 bucks, okay? And this is Spraymax, okay? This is a good brand, okay? Spraymax is definitely top dog in the aerosol world in certain departments. This stuff right here, almost $60 a can, okay? And there is a reason for that. This product provides 100% gloss, 100% clarity, dries just as fast as the 1K acrylic lacquer from a whole nother century, technology-wise. It's, like I said, it's more durable. It's a UV Cure product. So sun actually cures it. You know, we've done the data and the testing on this stuff, you know, before Speedokote launched this product. You know, they coated a set of headlights with this down in Florida. It withstand 3 years of straight Florida sun without any delamination, without showing any signs of wear. This product will probably last a maximum of 3 years in Florida sun. So, you know, there's a price difference. There's a price you pay for going with the cheaper stuff. However, like I said, once again, there's a reason why I have this stuff in my mobile setup, because it does have its perks in fast dry situations where it's about to rain. I need something that's going to coat the headlight and just clean it up. You know, mainly for dealer work. I would probably not use that for retail work. It depends on the situation. But dealer work, hey, we're just trying to clean it up. You know, I need this stuff to dry quick. It's about to rain. I always have that product for an emergency. But these have been sitting here now for about 20 minutes drying. They're dry to the touch. And like I said, for, you know, if you get this stuff online, I think it's only like $9 a can. I mean, it's like $9 or $10 a can. Like, come on, guys. Like, for the results you get for a few freaking dollars, like, you know, I mean, you don't even have to get the masking machine. You just use newspaper. You know, get a little tape from around your house, you know. So that could be free. A little, like one sheet of 2,000 grit sandpaper. You can sand out your headlight. You know, might take you a little longer if they got more wear than these, but look, for the results, I fully approve this product for the price point that it's priced at. So you guys wanted to know, does this 1K clear coat work? Is it worth the money for what you pay? Marco from Speedokote Refinish Network is going to say yes. It's a decent product for the money. It will work for what you need it to work for. Main thing I would say is headlights and really small touch-ups that really don't mean a whole lot to you. But I'm gonna wrap it up with this. You guys are looking for the best, most user-friendly auto body and detail supply products in the world. There's one place you guys need to go, www.speedokote.com. While you're there, click my name, Marco, for sales rep. All the proceeds go to the channel so we can continue making awesome videos like this. Like and subscribe, new videos every week.